YouTube is sending so many impressions of your videos to so many people out there, but your views are still stuck on 6. Well, the main reason for that is your thumbnail sucks. Let's see it that way. If you develop a brilliant product but you don't market it well, then what's the point? No one knows about your product even if it's so good. Same goes to your YouTube thumbnail and YouTube video. If your video is so good but the thumbnail sucks, then no one's gonna click it. But in this video, I will help you out to fix that problem by only using AI. So let's begin. The first thing is that you have to go to ChatGPT and ask, like, what do I write in my YouTube thumbnail? What do you suggest me to do on my thumbnail to make it look good? And once the ChatGPT gives you some options, you just have to see what works best for you. Just imagine what you have to create in your mind, and let's move on to the next step. Second thing is to come to Canva. Now Canva has so many design options, so many elements which you can use and create one of the best thumbnails out there to outperform many YouTubers and make yourself stand out from them. Now I have picked this design. Now I want to remove this girl and add another character which I'm gonna use. So now there are many options. You can use lexica.arts, instant.arts, and Blue Willow, any image creating software which you find the best pick from of your prompt. You just have to use that. Now I will provide all the 3 websites link in the description box below. Just check whatever works best for you and use that in your thumbnail. Once that's done, once you have downloaded the pic you want, I have found this one from the lexica.arts. Just have to import it to my Canva and then remove background from it. So just import it, click on the pic and remove background, remove BG. It will auto remove it for you. You don't have to do any manual work in removing the background. Just wait for a while and it will be done. Once that's done, now it's time for editing the text. So just edit the text, whatever ChatGPT wrote for me. I'm just adding this one and that. So as you can see, I have also created one thumbnail below. I don't like that one, so I'm just gonna add this one. Once that's done, you can add more elements into this. Up to you, like whatever you like, you can just add into it. I'm just leaving it here because it looks perfect to me. The only thing it needs is color correction. So I just have to click the photo and edit photo. And now I just have to adjust it a little bit and just see the magic happening. So now you can see I have edited the pic, and you can also add logo of whatever AI tools you're using in this, but I'm not doing it right now. I'm just leaving it here. Adding logo is pretty simple. Just go to upload and upload the logo, and that's how the final product looks, which is pretty nice, right? So don't waste your time and come to Canva, or you can use any other photo editing software, but take pics from these 3 websites, Lexica, Instant.art, or Blue Willow, and use that on your thumbnail to make it look more interesting. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want more tutorials on thumbnail on Photoshop, I can also make that. It's pretty simple to make thumbnails on Photoshop too. So make sure to let me know. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.